Hello and welcome back, fellow food lovers and food trippers. If you're looking for unlimited Korean grill and an eat-all-you-can Japanese menu in Quezon City, this might be your next favorite spot. Today we're here at Sol Yupsal Unlimited Korean Grill, located at 42 Tomas Morato, second floor of Metrofocus Building, Quezon City. Now let's come in. After months of major renovation, they are back and ready to welcome diners better than ever. The place, which reopened last December, has that classic Korean grill vibe, comfortable seating, tables with built-in grills, and courteous, fast staff ready to prepare and serve dishes. They offer two sets of menus, starting with 16 unlimited premium Korean barbecue meats in various flavors of classic samgyeopsal, spicy, soy, well-marinated, herb, and some savory sweet versions. But we opted to try and enjoyed the Yangnam beef, Korean bacon roll, buttered sirloin steak, herb samgyup, and Korea's famous marinated barbecue, beef bulgogi. The mouth-watering and smoky aroma of fresh meat grilled right before our eyes made us crave more. Of course, Korean meals are not complete without the spicy and sweet side dishes, Banchan. Sol Yupsal offers 15 unlimited items, including japchae, tteokbokki, anchovies, cheese cakes, steamed egg, lettuce, soup, melted cheese, house sauces, and more. Don't forget to ask for their signature kimchi, a perfect partner to grilled meats, kimchis, and kimchi rice, complemented with unlimited red iced tea. For a delightful taste experience, wrap the flavorful, tender samgyup in a lettuce leaf with kimchis, a dab of melted cheese, and some jang paste, so every bite is appetizingly good. But it doesn't stop there, because aside from the delicious Korean grill, they offer an unlimited Japanese menu that adds variety to our dining experience, including spicy tuna roll, tuna sashimi, ebi tempura, and fire tempura. There are other Japanese favorites, including the classic and spicy pork tonkatsu, but we opted for the garlic parmesan and salted egg tonkatsu that captured our taste buds. We get to taste two cuisines in one restaurant. Good treats for Sol Yupsal diners go on. To our surprise, new dishes have been added to the Premium Plus menu, including smoked duck, spicy duck, cheesy scallops, and tuna katsu. We definitely enjoyed it and asked for seconds. Kung gusto mo talaga ng sulit sa halagang 699 pesos, the Premium Plus menu is a good option here. Furthermore, the other set they offer is the new Prime menu. For steak lovers and Japanese Wagyu lovers, now is the best time to visit Sol Yupsal Tomas Morato brands. This enticing offer includes only Ribeye, only Saikoro Wagyu, only prawn, and only cheese Hungarian sausage for an additional 200 pesos, making you full and more satisfied. Fees on both the Premium Plus menu and the Prime menu for a reasonable price of 899 pesos only. Their menu offerings are perfect and really worth it. Even on a lunch date, Sol Yupsal made diners' lunchtime better. With an enticing rate of 599 pesos, saving 100 pesos from the promo rate of 699 pesos for the Premium Plus menu. This lunchtime promo rate is available only from Monday to Thursday from 12 p.m. to 4:30 p.m. What more can you ask for? So hindi ka talaga mauubusan ng choices. Every round, you can try a different flavor at affordable prices. So, that's Sol Yupsal's Korean-Japanese fusion of favorites. Unlimited premium meat plus the eat-all-you-can Japanese menu and the Prime menu. All take it to a whole new level of unlimited dining experience. Come to Sol Yupsal at Tomas Morato and bring your appetite to feast without limits from 12 p.m. to 12 midnight for your daytime and late-night cravings. The restaurant also has available parking spaces. For inquiries, call 0956-645-2070. Please don't forget to like, share, and subscribe. See you on our next food trip. Thank you for watching.